In the early days of life on Earth, living beings resembled a tube. Food went in from one side and came out from the other. Getting food was a matter of luck. But when the tube got some food, it survived for another day to look for food. The tube that lived long enough would then split from 1 to 2. More population meant more competition for food. Some tubes developed vision to find food, instead of relying on chance. Slowly, tubes developed legs to go towards food, and then developed hands to lift food into the mouth. When tubes were simple, it was also simple for them to go from 1 to 2. Now 2 tubes started making 1 tube together. To manage the complexity of finding food, choosing a partner, and rearing children, the tube had to evolve a brain, but that came with a side effect. Now little tubes started asking bigger tubes, do we eat to live, or do we live to eat? What is the point of this cycle after all? The big tubes didn't have an answer, but they said, don't overthink it. Just follow what has always been done. Eat, earn, go from 1 to 2, then from 2 to 4. For some time, tubes got distracted from this question by having to earn food, finding a partner, and raising children. But as they grew, the emptiness of life started eating at them. So tubes said that if we can't fill this emptiness with money and relationships, we will fill it with food. Whether it's about eating or having fun, eventually we get bored of it. So this method didn't work either. Now, if you're born, you have to live. And if you live, you have to eat. But even if we don't live to feed others, let's at least live while feeding others. Their day will become easier, and so will our lives.